Really excited about this adorable lakefront home that I'm going to show you, located on Lake Lowery in Haines City. This is a really cute 2-bedroom, 1-bath concrete block home that again sits on the lake. You talk about beautiful views. Are you talking about low maintenance? This house has got it all. Let's go take a look at it. All right, so I'll give you an idea of the curb appeal that this home has. You can see it's a really cute little concrete block, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's located on a private road. By the way, this is a canal right here. You do have access to the canal. If you want to build a boat ramp and then go out to Lake Lowery, you can do that directly next door. This is the neighbors next door, just so you know that. But this is a really nice home. Plenty of room for parking. Here's your driveway space. Let's take a look at this. There's also a detached storage shed right here. I'll show you that whenever we get to the backyard. But take a look at this cute little home. All right, so when you first walk in, you're gonna notice the ceramic tile flooring, which is that wood look. You can see it's been really tastefully decorated. It's a nice little guest house, hardly ever used. But you can see it's adorable. So a little kitchen area. And then this is the kitchen. It's got a fridge and a stove. It's all you need for your little getaway home. Got some cabinet space, your fridge and your freeze area. And then here is where you're gonna begin to enjoy some of the beautiful lakefront views. Now you can see at some point this was more than likely a screen porch area years ago, but it is concrete block out here. It's all open and it does have an air vent, so it's gonna heat and cool out here. But let's take a look at the rest of the home. So you'll be able to see this is coming in here. This is one of the bedrooms, closet on the left. It's got double windows. Everything's in really nice condition. And this closet is right behind us. And over here to the other bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger. Again, you've got your closets right here. And window overlooking the water. Ceiling tiles are really great. And then here is your full bathroom. Your sink, your toilet. And then this has a tub shower combination. So you can see it's in great shape. Whenever you see this kind of tile on properties, that you can see this is original. And let me tell you, it is durable. See people like to paint it or cover it with something. But again, it's in great condition. So this home has been well taken care of. One more time, and this is a little area here to put some knickknacks. Again, same thing on this side. And again, this is that area. Before we go outside, let me show you a little bit of how this lays out. So you've got this area called a sunroom, bonus room. All you need for a little getaway. Then let's head out this way. Go out here. Now this belongs to this property. It's basically a concrete block. It is a storage building. It's not air conditioned. There is power here, you can see. So there's power, but just a big storage shed, really what it amounts to. And then you're on well and septic out here. So you've got, this is, it's all covered up nicely. I haven't opened this in a while, so everything's tucked away really nicely and taken care of. And then take a look at this backyard. Wow. This is it right here. Nice sized backyard. I'll show you the back of the house in a minute. Your lot line pretty much is that fence line. This is all part of this property. This is beautiful Lake Lowery. Again, we're in Haines City, Florida. So quiet out here. Let me just walk to the corner of the lot line so you can kind of get an idea of this. And this is on the property next door. You can see this right here. You could clear this out, build you a dock if you wanted to. But at the back of the home, just to show you, roof's in good condition. You can kind of see your lot line there about where the fence is. This fence is right here. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this home. If you'd like any more information, all my contact information is below. Be happy to tell you more about this home. We do have another property in the area too, so if this one doesn't suit your needs, we have another one available that we can talk to you about. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed a walkthrough tour on this beautiful lakefront home. Again, be a great investment home, great lakefront getaway here in Haines City, Florida. So thanks so much for tuning in. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Make it a great day.